Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Benny. I own a bike shop here in the Southern California, and I just wanna, let you guys know a little feedback about Haidong bikes we sell here in our shop, and we've been very, very happy with the quality of the bikes, with how the clients are responding, how the market's going so well, and so we want to cooperate with this company for a long time. It's been a pleasure to be part of the family of Haidong, and we hope we continue to do this cooperation.
Hello guys, my name is Brad and I thought about giving a small feedback about the Haidong electric bicycles for you guys today. The powerful motor of the bike combined with the long life of the battery can get you to really far distances. The seat is comfortable, which is amazing, of course, and the design of the bike is beautiful. I really like it. From the first time I saw it, I was, whoa, this is a beautiful bike. And plus, another thing, of course, when we are selling bikes, we have to consider is how the client gonna answer for that, right? Because that's kind of engagement. And the clients are always coming back and say, whoa, I love the bike. I'm thinking about buy one for my wife. I will recommend it to my friends so we can go out and have some exercise, commuting together, So it brings a big community. So I'm really happy with the feedback we are having. Plus the customer service. The customer service of the supplier is amazing. He's always ready to answer any questions we have. And that's it for today. I hope my feedback can help you guys deciding as well. And bye.
Hello there. My name is Jer. I can say there are many electric scooter suppliers in the market, but Haidong has won my trust. With perfect quality and excellent customer service, I feel like I'm in a good hand, and all my clients are happy too. Perfect cooperation. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Victor and I'm here today to talk about Haidong and their service quality. Well, the delivery speed of Haidong is very fast. When I first cooperated with them, their efficiency and high quality left a deep impression on me. So I've been cooperating with them for such a long time, and I hope we can always maintain a good and cooperative relationship.